Watch as this man fixed this dog's back pain. At the end, the dog was fully healed and ran with excitement.
Yeah. Good. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Yeah.
Look how happy the dog is.